Hi stamping friends, Melissa Kerman here with Melissa's Crafting Treehouse. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and I sell all the products that I share in my videos. Today's project features a card made from the Color Fusers Blog Hop and Color Challenge for February. So for today's project I'm using an acrylic block basically as a stamp. So you can see it right there, and I'm using the Petal Pink ink and just inking up that block and stamping it right in the center. I like to start with the center one, and I'm angling it in one direction, and then I'm stamping it again on the left and on the right in the opposite direction. Next I'm going to use my Memento ink pad, and I'm inking up my gorilla in the center. I think that's my favorite image in this set. He's so darn cute, or she. And then the skunk on the right and the otter on the left. This Hey Love stamp set is a new set in the Occasions catalog that just came out the beginning of January. So now I'm coming in with my Blends alcohol markers, and I'm going to use my bronze Blends alcohol marker. I wanted it to go with and coordinate with the espresso, but I didn't have an espresso Blends alcohol marker, and I thought it might actually be a little bit too dark anyway. So what happened with the Blends marker, which I thought was kind of cool, is that a little bit of the texture of the petal pink showed through the bronze color. And what it did, if you look at a close-up of it, is it looks almost like fur. So there's a close-up on my blog of the gorilla, so you can check out that texture if you wish. So of course I'm doing some of my shading of the gorilla, putting some additional color around some of the edges so it looks a little bit darker around the edge. And now I'm coming in with my Poppy Parade, just regular Stampin' Write marker, and filling in the heart in the center, and filling in the hearts on the skunk and then on the otter. Now I'm taking the Stinkin' Sweet image and stamping that just below, as you can see, in the Poppy Parade color. Sort of went cute with the little stinky skunk right there. And I'm just going to attach my focal piece to its black backing. And it's got just a little bit of an edge on all sides. Now I'm popping this up on dimensionals. I do love my dimensionals, as you probably already know. I use them on almost all of my projects. Now this card comes together pretty quickly. I have a Poppy Parade panel that I'm going to attach to my card base. The card base is Early Espresso, and it actually goes all the way from side to side, so it's actually 5.5 wide, just like the card body, but I'm leaving a little bit of an edge on the top and the bottom. The dimensions for this project will be in my blog posts. You can go check out additional details there and all the supplies that I've used. Now I'm just attaching my focal piece, taking off all my backings to my dimensionals and putting it right there in the center. Now after the fact I did actually put some Wink of Stella on the heart in the middle of on the gorilla image. Here's a close-up so maybe you can see a little bit of that Wink of Stella. I hope you've enjoyed my project for the February Color Challenge. We go live the first Monday of every month, so come back and check us out each month if you like. Thanks so much for spending some time with me today. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting!